Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Get a straw, cut it from the middle and then you have to get it inside. Get the strings and sticks in the following, and in the middle you need to get a layers like this. Get a pattern, put it inside the stick and your layer is ready. Just get it inside and your caterpillar is ready. Cool, right? You have to get a spiral now and paste it on the top of a sheet. Make the eyes and this is gonna look cute. Cool, right? Further, let's see here, you have to get the sheet and then just make the mouth part and all. Get them beautifully made, get the straws, attach them together and get a layer like this. You can play with it anytime. Cute, right? Now get a plastic cup again, you need to attach them together in this manner. Get them cut in the following manner and then you have to just arrange them together. Beautifully you need to arrange the blades like this and arrange it coolly. Now here you have to get a straw and this windmill is ready. Cool, right? Further here, get a plastic sheet. You need to get the curvy little flower like shape in this form. Now get the curves in it. Now get a beautiful lovely creation made. Get the flowers and leaves attached and this is gonna look adorable. Further here, get a sheet, wrap them together in this manner from all the sides. Further here, just open them together, the wings and feathers, and this is gonna look pretty cool. Further here, get a sheet. You have to get the cuts and slits in the sheets like this, and now you need to fold it together. With the help of these sticks, you need to paste it inside. Now get the mouth part made and your caterpillar is ready. Cool, right? Now here you have to get a heart-shaped pattern. You need to keep it one over the other and then the wing part. Further you need to make the layers like this and then the eyes. This honeybee is gonna look so cute, right? Now you have to get the stripes of paper, arrange them together in a ball-like pattern. Here also you have to just getting the crisscross patterns with the help of these sheets, get a spongy shaped, and here you have to get the mouth part made in this form of a tiger. And then don't forget to put the tail and all, and this is gonna look cute, right? Now here you have to get a tissue like sheet and now you need to just fold them up and tuck them up inside in this manner. Get the ears out and further your cute bunny rabbit is gonna look so pretty. Your hand puppets are ready. Further here, get a green sheet. You need to fold them together in this manner from all the four corners and then get it inside. You have to tuck them inside and beautifully arrange it in this way. This is gonna look pretty, right? Now get the ears flapped in this position, then wrap it together in this manner, get it made into this form. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching.